Today in this video we are going to talk about millets. A lot of people have confusion about millets, that whether they should eat millets or they should not eat millets. To many people this happens, like if they eat millets they feel a lot of dryness and their joint pains are being increased. And why this happen? It's been said millet is a very nutritious food, then why all these symptoms happen? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor, and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about millets. According to Ayurveda, millets are considered as ruksha, that means they are dry in nature. Millets are light to digest. In Ayurveda, millets are described under Trin-dhanya dravya. Millets are very, very light to digest and they reduce the Kapha dosha. And those people who are struggling with excess fat, weight gain, sudden weight gain, or even for diabetic people, millets are recommended because they are responsible for reduction of Kapha dosha. So all those people who have a lot of bronchitis issues, or people who have diabetes issues, or the people who have high sugar levels, high cholesterol levels, to all these people millets are being recommended. Why? Because they are laghu, easy to digest and reduces the kapha dosha. If you have very, very sedentary lifestyle, according to Ayurveda principles, it's been recommended that you should just use millets in your diet, because sedentary lifestyle, that means you are sleeping during the day, you don't have much activity, you are not doing exercise, you do not like exercise. To all these people, millets are recommended, because when you have sedentary lifestyle, definitely kapha is enhancing. And once kapha dosha will get enhanced, the diseases that are related with kapha dosha will be acquired by your system. So all those people, millets are recommended because millets are Vata enhancing. But if you have Vata disorders like nerve disorders or Parkinsonism or any disorder that is like osteoarthritis in which Vata is involved, and the aggravation of Vata, the disease will become more bad. To all these people, millets are not recommended, because millets are considered as light, so they enhance the Vata dosha in the system. So all the diseases that is related with Vata dosha, that includes dryness, dry skin, some chapped lips, or joint pains which are caused by osteoarthritis, to all these people, millets are not recommended because they aggravate the Vata dosha. By this, enhance the joint pain. If you are struggling to gain weight, then millets are not recommended, because with millets you will lose weight. And in case if you are eating millet for some reasons, then you should eat millets with ghee. Excess of millets if you will eat, it will enhance the Vata dosha. And once Vata dosha will enhance, definitely you will lose weight. And those who are already struggling to gain weight, for them it will be emaciation. So for all those people, these kind of millets are not recommended. Even when you want to eat, you need to eat them with ghee, so that the Vata dosha, that is the dryness that is there in millets, and the dryness that millet will cause in your body, that will be reduced. If you're thinking of consuming millets in your diet in coming days, make sure that they should be warm, freshly cooked. Eat millets in winter season, or season where kapha dosha is excess in the body, like in Basanta Ritu, that means spring season. If you're doing Ekadashi fasting or excess of fasting, try to avoid millets. If you have a lot of anxiety issues, then try to avoid millets. And if you have joint pain, then also try to avoid millets. Millets are can be medicine if you use them wisely, but it can imbalance your system when you try to use them badly. That's all about millets video. When who should eat millets and when we should eat millets. If you have a lot of gas and your stomach is imbalanced because of Vata dosha, then you try to avoid millets. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there's a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.